Right now, the coronavirus outbreak at the Monterey County Jail growing. Some inmates are even being released and their families now threatening to sue because of that situation. 72 inmates have tested positive for COVID. One is in the hospital and 2 staff members also infected. Families of those inmates criticize the jail for their response or lack of it. They claim that jail staff did not listen to concerns from ill inmates who allegedly said they feared they had COVID. Among those families who say they are ready to take legal action is the mother of one high-profile inmate there. Our KION's Drew Andre live for us outside of the jail tonight with more on this situation. Drew.
Well, Veronica, that inmate is John Fickus. The North Salinas High School coach and political consultant is awaiting trial on rape charges. John Fickus has been held at the Monterey County Jail since last summer. His mother now saying the former coach and consultant accused of drugging and raping 4 people, including several minors, has become a victim of the virus.
I suspect one of the guards brought it in because they are the ones that have close contact with the inmates.
The close corridors of the Monterey County Jail shows how COVID-19 can spread like wildfire. First detected when an inmate went in for surgery. 6 others in that inmate's dorm tested positive. Then it exploded with 61 of the next 89 inmates tested coming back with COVID-19.
We don't know who patient 0 is. We're working on to figure out how it got in.
Deputy Chief John Thornburg says since March, every inmate booked is quarantined for 14 days before being released into general population. But tonight, several families whose loved ones tested positive say the jail was negligent in its response and plan on suing.
The way they're quarantined, not be able to social distance them, those kind of things, it's not safe. They're making us social distance out here. They can't do it in there.
Because of the outbreak, the jail has now opened a new cell block that can hold 72 people. Thornburg says it will be used for new inmates.
We're working with county mental health to test everybody when they come into custody. So prior to leaving the new expansion cells and going into general population, they'll be tested.
They should send people home on ankle bracelet. I think that would be better. They can monitor them there. It's just like jail.
As of today, a total of 34 inmates have been released in an attempt to lower the population at the jail. Coming up next at 6, we'll explain what kind of crimes qualify for that release. Reporting live in Salinas, I'm Drew Andre, KION News, Channel 546.